Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to today's my presentation. Let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Hirosudo, and I'm from Japan. I work as a software engineer. I am passionate about open source software and hardware development. And then I have an interest in civic tech. I'm also a member of the Documents Foundation since 2024. This organization is home of LibreOffice, and I found it meaningful to contribute to this society impactful open source project. Today, I'm here to share our community's activities with you. And I want to share about their work of LibreOffice Japanese community. Let me introduce today's agenda. First, we'll look at the role of the regional language support community in global open source project. Uh, this is our main theme today. Focus on how local communities contribute to worldwide software development. Next, we'll look at specific activities of the level of Japanese local community. You will see real example of how our community operates and supports users in Japan. And then I'll introduce our weekly online Hackfest, also known as LibreOffice Hackfest Online. And this is where our community members collaborate regularly to improve the software. We'll also example Q&A site activity examples through Ask LibreOffice, showing how community members help each other solve problems and share knowledge. Finally, we'll wrap up with event information about upcoming activities and opportunities for community environment. Now, let's look at the role that regional language support communities serve in global open source projects. These communities serve as essential bridges between international development teams and local users. First, these communities handle translation and localization activities. They translate software interfaces, documentation, and user guides into local languages, making complex technical software accessible to users worldwide. Next, regional communities focus on community building and outreach. They actively recruit local contributors, organize regional meetups, and create welcoming environments for newcomers who want to participate in open source development. These communicates act as cultural interpreters, helping global maintainers understand regional needs and preferences. They advocate for features that matter specifically to local users, ensuring that global software truly serves diverse communities. Finally, はい。Finally, they focus on knowledge transfer and education. They create educational materials in local languages, conduct workshops, and help transfer technical knowledge to empower more people to contribute to open source projects. And there are many other important roles that this community fulfill in supporting global open source development. Let me introduce LibreOffice, one of the world's most popular open source office suites. It contains a word processor, a spreadsheet replication, presentation software, database management system, and much more. Everything you need for professional and personal work. LibreOffice is a free and libre open source software for us. This means no license fees ever. It embodies the four essential freedoms. First, the freedom to run the software. Second, to study how it works. Third, to redistribute copies. And fourth, to improve the software and share your modifications with others. LibreOffice works seamlessly across platforms. Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices. It's truly one software solution that works everywhere, ensuring compatibility regardless of your operating system. The Office adopts open standards, supporting the open document format at its default. This ensures long-term data accessibility and editing capabilities, protecting your documents from vendor locking, and guaranteeing that your files will remain accessible for years to come. And LibreOffice has proven track record trusted by governments, businesses, and social schools worldwide. Recent years have seen major migrations across Europe, with countries and organizations choosing LibreOffice for digital sovereignty and cost efficiency. With hundreds of millions of users globally, it demonstrates reliability and effectiveness in real-world applications. And now let's look at the specific activities of the LibreOffice Japanese local community, which includes the LibreOffice Japanese team and various other contributors. One of our core activities is Japanese translation of LibreOffice. We translate the user interface, help documentation, user guides, and much more to make LibreOffice free accessible to Japanese users. We actively maintain and edit Japanese content on the Document Foundation Wiki or website, and some comprehensive resources for Japanese-speaking users and contributors. A community creates and shares Japanese announcements about the Document Foundation and the LibreOffice news, ensuring that our local community stays informed about important updates and developments. We provide support by answering questions on the Ask LibreOffice forum. Our team members help users solve problems and share technical knowledge in Japanese. When we discover issues, we actively post detailed bug reports to help improve LibreOffice quality and functionality for all users worldwide. We organize various events to promote LibreOffice and facilitate user exchange. And these include online and real-world hackfests, LibreOffice Kaigi annual conference, LibreOffice Azure conference, and many other community gatherings. And there are many other activities that our dedicated community members contribute to every day. What is the Focus Online? Let me introduce you to LibreOffice Hackfest Online, one of the most important community activities. LibreOffice Hackfest Online is a weekly online meeting specially designed for the Japanese community. It's a regular gathering where we come together to work on various LibreOffice related tasks. During this meeting, participants learn about various community tasks and how to contribute effectively to the LibreOffice project. It's an excellent opportunity for newcomers to understand how they can get involved. We also share information and have a casual conversation about LibreOffice development, updates, and experiences. This creates a friendly, welcoming atmosphere for all participants. The first online Packfest was on April 29th, 2020 at 10 p.m. And the latest meeting was number 254, August 4th, 2025 at 8 p.m. You can find more information and register at libreojapan.compass.com. These days, each session lasts 90 minutes and uses Gmeet, which is open source video conference software. We are hosted by meet.git.si. We use free and open tools just like LibreOffice itself. Our main activities includes reviewing and replying to Ask LibreOffice forum posts, helping users solve their problems. We also work on translation to Japanese, covering LibreOffice user interface, helpful documentation, and much more. This slide shows the annual data for LibreOffice Hackfest online events from 2020 to this year, including the number of events held, total participants, and average attendance per event. Through our consistent efforts, we can see that the average number of participants is gradually increasing, showing steady community growth. You might wonder who we will choose to make LibreOffice Hackfest an online event. Let me explain the key reasons behind this approach. Using COVID-19 restrictions as a chance to change, we discovered new possibilities for online Hackfest that allows more people to participate. Our primary goal is lowering barriers for community participation. We want to make it as easy as possible for anyone to join and contribute to our LibreOffice community. With online meetings, participants can join from anywhere, their home, office, or even while traveling. Geographic location is no longer a limitation for community involvement. There is no need to worry about travel time or transportation costs. This makes participation more accessible, especially for those with limited budgets or busy schedules. Our online format offers flexible participation without sacrificing personal time. People can balance their community environment with work, family, and user commitment more easily. We welcome various participation styles. and anonymous participation, watch only, listen only, text only, no camera participation. Everyone can contribute in the way that feels most comfortable for them. Late arrival, early departure, or taking break during the session are all perfectly acceptable. This flexibility ensures that participation doesn't become a burden. The online format enables continuous contribution and support through regular weekly problem-solving sessions. This consistency helps maintain momentum in our community activities. We can provide immediate support for new contributors, helping them get started quickly and effectively. This reduces the learning curve for newcomers. Our online sessions facilitate knowledge sharing and skill development through real-time technical exchange. Participants can learn from each other immediately. New members receive direct guidance from experienced contributors, creating an effective mentorship environment that accelerate learning and contribution quality. And finally, our online format enables the integration of diverse expertise from contributors with different backgrounds, skills, and perspectives, enriching our community's collective knowledge. This is why LibreOffice Hackfest Online works so well for building an inclusive, accessible, and productive community. This screenshot shows the first LibreOffice Hackfest online event. The theme was dry translation and bug reporting. The screen shows the installation process for Omega T, a translation tool. This event content is achieved, archived, and available on YouTube. If you're interested in translation or bug reporting, please take a look. This slide example shows questions posted over LibreOffice QA forum being reviewed by Hackfest participants who check if they can reproduce their issue and discuss solutions working together on these tasks. What is LibreOffice? Ask LibreOffice. Let me introduce Ask LibreOffice, which is our dedicated Q&A site for the LibreOffice community. Ask LibreOffice is a specialized QA forum designed specifically for LibreOffice users and contributors. It serves as a central hub for technical support and knowledge sharing. The platform is powered by community support, where experienced users and developers volunteers the time to help others solve problems and learn more about LibreOffice. It's completely free to ask and answer questions. There are no subscription fees or hidden costs, just a welcome community ready to help. The platform provides rocket-run support, making it accessible to users worldwide who can ask and answer questions in their native languages. Ask LibreOffice is built on Discourse Forum software, which is open source software developed using Ruby on Rails. This ensures reliability, security, and modern functionality. The platform is officially hosted the document foundations, ensuring that it remains trusted and stable source for the LibreOffice community. Ask LibreOffice offers many advanced features, including threaded discussions for organized conversations, fast search functionality to quickly find existing solutions, and real-time chat and notification system to keep users engaged and informed. The platform includes a like and badge system that encourage participation and recognize valuable contributions from community members, creating a participatory and motivating environment. And there are many other features that make Ask LibreOffice an excellent resource for getting help and helping others with LibreOffice. This slide shows the Ask LibreOffice photo screen. It's divided into categories by language. There are Western languages like English, German, French, and Italian. Asian languages like Chinese, Korean, and Japanese. And other language, 23 categories in total. You can ask questions in Western, Asian, and other languages. This slide shows the Ask LibreOffice Japanese portal. Various LibreOffice questions are shown as separate topic threads. They are displayed in order of latest command updates. You can also search using the magnifying glass icon in the top right. Here, I'd like to introduce some activities using some LibreOffice. This session time is so this session is running out. そうですね、どうしようかな。For example, this example, this LibreOffice writer's vertical layout problem. LibreOffice write documents with tables and cells can have layout issues when mixing vertical and horizontal text orientations, causing character misalignment during PDF formats. Like this. Emoji in Japanese. Vertical layout cells include emoji, and horizontal layout cells same strings emoji, but this prevents calls. Contributor Saburo-san is reported this bug, and it's resolved. This problem has been resolved from versions 25.8.0. And next one is ellipsis characters, 3-dot reader, and displays horizontally in vertical text layout. This issue and Saburo-san and added a bug report, and this is resolved. And this is a Japanese method program, and Google Japanese input conversation candidate window not displayed in writer's vertical layer. virtual layout. This shows virtual layout where the conversation candidate windows is displayed. But virtual layout, when the virtual layout candidate window not displaying. The, this problem has been fixed and we found it resolved from version 25.20 or 25.2.5. However, it appears that different problems have occurred in some sample environments. この辺は省略、ちょっと時間があれですね。Conclusion. Global project like LibreOffice requires continuous collaboration from local language communicates in each region. We realize Hackfest events where anyone can participate easily with high learning outcomes and satisfaction for this reason. This time, we effectively utilize amazing open source tools like Cici, Meet, Discourse, Maxilla, Omega T, and more. We deeply appreciate the developers and all contributors behind these wonderful open source projects, building a better future through community power. Finally, we have an announcement for everyone. We are planning to hold the LibreOffice Azure Conference 2025 this December. The event will take place over 2 days, December 13th and 14th. We will be using the excellent facilities at IIJ Corporation in Idabashi, Tokyo. We currently looking for speakers. The CFP deadline is scheduled for September 16th. This is a perfect opportunity to share your knowledge and experience. We are working hard to prepare the exciting and fulfilling event for all participants. This will be a valuable opportunity for LibreOffice communities across Azure to come together. For details, information, and the latest updates, please visit our website below. Thank you for your attention. ありがとうございました。